Divisions in the church happens because of one's behavior, not the other persons. If there is one common lesson that you're going to learn dito po sa ating pag-aaral, it's all about you. It's not about the other person. Ikaw yan. How you treat your leaders, how you treat programs, nasa sa yan. In this letter of Paul, we see the reasons why churches are divided. Unity is not important to some believers. The reason why we always stress unity. Di ba? Preferences over the non-essentials. Di ba? Music lang, di ba? Kung minsan hindi, sa arrangement lang, no? Mga non-essential lang, mga practices lang, you can do away with that. Focus on the things that are really important. Disregard for church doctrines. Di ba? Kung hindi equip yung member mo sa doktrina, by all means, ikaw na nakakalam, you are mature in your faith, by all means, turuan mo yung membro mo. Di ba? Immorality is not addressed. Nangyayari din yan sa mga churches. The reason why there are disappointments in churches, kaya lumilipat yung ibang membro, because the church or the leaders, they fail to address such issues as this, immorality. Disagreement among believers, money matters included. Di ba? Minsan nangyayari yan may growth group na kayo dito, di ba? Di ba? Usually sa growth group, may mga nagdadala ng pagkain, di ba? Di ba? Ganun yan sa growth group, di ba? May mga tao naman na talagang gusto nila magdala ng pagkain yung gift nila Di ba? Pero ikaw naman, uma-attend ka ng growth group, hindi ka naman nagdadala ng pagkain, di ba? Baka siguro dapat mag-isip ka. Di ba? Kahit paano, you participate. No? Yun yung sasabi natin dito. Disagreement among believers, money matters. Kumisan, medyo exhausted na yung mga, ako alam ko yan. Puro ako na lang nagdadala dito.